plug. Oh. The seal out, you know, so I pulled the hammer out, and this is what I found. The valve I put in, the upgraded valve, I put an aluminum one. I got a steel one I'm going to put in now, though. Now, I do believe. And it pulls out like that, and it had stripped itself because it's kind of tight going in there, I guess. And this thing seems to be all right. This is steel here, so, you know. Yeah, there we go. I'll get the spring off it. We can see it better, baby. But that's what I got going on with this. So yeah, it's not stripped out in there. It looks good, all right. But that's what I had going on there. It was firing great. So I don't know how. I guess it would maybe blow that thing out when it would come out when the hammer would go back and then it'd get pushed back in there again. I'm not sure how that was working, but it was working good. It was firing good, like I said. But that's what I'm going to have to just throw another one of them in there.